Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to switch row to column in Excel. Open your Excel file to see the data to be converted. Now select all the data, right-click, and choose the copy option. After this, in a new cell right-click, and in Paste Special, select the Transpose option. You can see that the text has now been modified. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.